to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Alrighty, today I'm doing a different color than what I was planning on doing, but we're gonna go with it anyway. I have a camping trip coming up and I know I'm gonna be swimming and I know the chlorine's gonna fade it and the green's just not gonna go good. So anyways, today, as you saw in the title, we are doing peach hair. I've never done that before on my channel, so it's a good opportunity to try it out. Perfect for the summertime. So today I am using, of course, Arctic Fox. Eventually I will get around to getting and trying some other brands out. I haven't went to the store. I'm using what I have. I still got plenty of this, so why not use it? You know what I mean? So for the orange, well, what we're gonna be doing to make peach, because they don't make a peach, I'm gonna be mixing an orange and pink. Let me explain. We have Sunset Orange from Arctic Fox. I'm aware that it's backwards and it's okay. And then we have the Froze from Arctic Fox as well. And this is not actually Froze. This is, whenever I have leftover dye, I just tend to just put it back in the bottle so I'm not wasting it. And this is more of like a really diluted virgin pink. So this one, I mean, it's definitely lighter than what it shows in the camera. But it's a bit darker than the actual Froze. It's more of like a pastel, so it's definitely a little darker than that. So I think the two should mix pretty well to make a peach. So we're gonna try that. Of course, to do any kite, we're gonna make up words here. We have our handy dandy shirt that we don't care about. This is actually my dyeing shirt, and the only dye that's actually stuck on it is the blue. So I tried making it pretty, it just doesn't stay. And then we have our bowl and our brush, and we have our gloves so we don't get it on our hands. And yeah, so I do still have some blue in my hair, so to go over it with the peach, it may turn like a purplish fuchsia kind of color almost, but we will see. I think it should color over it very well. So, and also, if you hear little squeakers in the background, I have kittens. So if anyone is in the North Carolina area and you want a kitten, email me or add me on Snapchat or something and message me and I will get you one. They will be available the end of July. I will show you them at the end of the video if you're interested in that. But for now, let's get into the mixtures so we can get this on our head. So to start off my mixtures, I'm not going to do my normal bird's eye view because I have kittens on the floor and it probably wouldn't go very well. So I'm just going to show you like this. We're going to start off with the orange. I want it to be mostly orange. Oh crap, I just sprayed it on the side of the bowl. Okay. And some of the pink. Half and half. Alright, so what I'm noticing is the orange is very overpowering to the pink. So this is very, very orange. So we're gonna add a lot more pink. So in order to get the peach color, I think we're gonna have to do mostly pink and a little bit of orange. The real test is seeing how it covers the dark, more bluish and purple tones. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so it looks like it's turning it almost like a mucky, like brown, like nasty. It's not blending well at all. This color is so pretty by itself. I think I'm just gonna go for it. And if for some reason it does not turn out well, if like after I rinse it out, I may have to add like, maybe I should do like a darker color under, like on the bottom half. 'Cause that's kind of funky. Ew. All right, I think I'm gonna get another bowl and we're gonna add some like purple tones to the bottom part, I guess. We'll see. We're gonna play it by ear and go do it as we go. Let's see. Girls' night. Again, this is not true girls' night. This is just a light purple and I just stuck it in there with leftovers. Well, this sucks. It's not what I was going for. Alright, so now that I have everything in my hair, as you can see, and this is what I figured, the top layers, they're not as dark as the underneath is, which tends to happen, I guess. So I was able to actually put the peach all the way through, even though there is some. It should cover it okay. For future reference, peach and pastel do not color light or blue colors. Now we know. So we'll see how it turns out. So unfortunately, I did have to do underneath more of like the purpley blue, but for the most part, it should be the peach color that I'm going for. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about an hour, then I will rinse it and be back with the final results. Are you ready? Let's go. Ta-da! All right, this is the final result. It is a little bit more pink than what I was going for. It kind of reminds me of Paradise. What's it called? Not Paradise Point. We're not a tropical smoothie. It's tropical, what the crap? It's Paradise something. It reminds me of another Arctic Fox color. So that's what that looks like. And then it kind of goes into a pastel pink, into the purple. So it's not really what I was going for, but it works. Somehow it turned out okay. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys like this video. As always, if you do want to see a more ghostly stories video, let me know in the comments below. If you didn't know it, you know what I'm talking about. Check out the last video in the iCards, or you can look at my hair playlist at my last video as well. And as promised, I want to show you some of the kitties. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because they are sleeping right now. This is one of the babies. Oh, she's so pretty. It's the girl. We have 3 boys and 2 girls, and they are all tabbies and 1 solid black. So like I said, if you guys are interested in a kitty and you are in the North Carolina area, let me know in the comments below as well, or email me for the information. Okay. All right, well, if you guys liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.